Atento saludo, tutora. A continuación, presento mi video explicativo del curso de inglés A1. I am Daniela Roa. I am 23 years old. I live with my two pets in an apartment in the city of Cúcuta. I study in the program agronomic at UNAT University. I am in the fourth semester. I work in the agriculture. Company 2 called Agrocer. In my free time, I like to go to the gym and work. My daily routine. I wake at 5 o'clock and prepare my breakfast and lunch to leave for work. At 6:30 I start getting ready and warming at my bike to speed at my department. I have my two pets. They are called Minnie and Valentino. I feed them at 7 a.m. and like Cultural Path 7 for my place of work. I start my work on the night of aim. Take a 30-minute break at 12 p.m. and I continue my work on it. 5 p.m. After leaving my good day, I stop by the supermarket at 4 p.m. for things I need in my family basket. I get home at 5 p.m. shower and head to the gym start 7 p.m. do dresser. I got on 7:15 a.m. I'm settled into my place study in the dedicated until 9:30 to my university as singers and world conference. After finish my studies, I prepare my uniform and so on for the next day. I would do bed at 10:30.